Okay guys, you ready? We're not doing too good, huh? All right, we'll fix that. Hey Kyle, you know what's really fun to watch on the camera is me chasing you because you're really good at trying to get away. Okay, go. Wow, he's good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait, I think I can fix it. Yep. Oh no, Kyle's gonna look at the damage. A little bit of scratch right there, a little bit right there, right there. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. That's a white and blue. I'm not sure what that one is. What got your toe? That was anticlimactic, Kyle. You rolled it. That's what happens if you only put 2 wheels on. Watch out. I had to slow down at the last second. Oh, endo. I guess this doesn't make a very good ramp. Oh, that was a weird last second move. We're picking up a lot of grass like that. Favorite thing is this, playing with you. Oh, you're gonna pay for that, kid. Oh. Still no cars coming? That's crazy. No one wants to drive today? Oh no, he's gonna get me. Oops. I guess I got away. Uh-oh, I'm in low voltage mode, Kyle. See? Uh-oh, car's coming. Car's coming. Yeah, you can catch me now because I'm going slow. Oh, come on. Thanks. Wow, you have more power than me. Whoa! That was fun. Alright, we both lose. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video now, Kyle. Say goodbye, YouTube.